Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Download Bluestacks 5 from the official site and install it on Windows or Mac, then run the emulator once to complete initial setup. Reboot and enable virtualization in BIOS to improve performance. Check Task Manager to confirm VTX or AMDV is active. Make sure your machine has at least 4 GB RAM, 4 CPU cores available, and 5 GB free disk space before proceeding. Sign in to Google Play inside Bluestacks, accept permissions, and update the emulator when prompted to ensure compatibility with Call of Duty Mobile. Open Google Play inside Bluestacks, search Call of Duty Mobile, and install it exactly as you would on a phone. Grant storage and network permissions when requested. Before launching, open Bluestacks settings. Set display resolution to 1920x 1080 and DPI to 240 for balanced visuals, then change the frame rate target to 60 FPS for smooth gameplay. In performance settings, allocate 4 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM. Choose high performance mode if available, and restart Bluestacks to apply these changes before playing. Launch Call of Duty Mobile and open the Bluestacks key mapping tool to create a control scheme. Map WASD for movement, mouse for look and fire, space for jump, C for crouch, and keys for equipment. Fine-tune sensitivity. Start with a medium mouse sensitivity and adjust ADS separately in-game to avoid overaiming. Enable gyro only if you prefer motion control. Optimize performance by setting textures to low or medium, disabling unnecessary post-processing, closing background apps, using wired Ethernet, and updating GPU drivers to maintain a consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.